There she is. The Liteweight Panorama. All original. All original. Wait to the back window, I'll show you inside. So yeah, there will be, there you go, all original everything. White cabinets, what they used to come with. Somebody's carpeted the roof, which is a bit sad, but yeah, bed. Boom. So we will be making a part 2 to this, where we actually starting to restore it. And,
I'm just going to move it out.
sweet. And, yeah.
Nothing obstructing it.
Just got a brand new drawbar as well. Hey, Dad.
Brand new drawbar.
Alright, I guess I'll give you a better view of it. There you go. The lights are missing. Wow. Bit of damage over there on the denting and stuff, but other than that, looks good. Little dent there and all that. Somebody's carpeted the roof. I think I've told you that already. But yeah, a little bit of damage there. It's not too hard to fix. Well, I mean, just doing the commentary. Dad's doing it all. But online, it's a lightweight panorama. Here's what it's like inside. Really original. Bed in the front for some reason. And the other model's bed's in the back, but it has 2 beds actually. All furniture, white cabinets, somebody's covered them. Yeah, so it's really nice, really original and damn nice. It's actually really nice. We're gonna restore it. We're just gonna do the outside actually, so we're gonna leave the inside because the inside is basically immaculate. Just give it a quick vacuum or polish or something. Then we'll put it for sale. Blue curtains and everything. Alright. I'll update you when we're tying it out of here. See ya. Welcome back, guys. Just pulled up to a gas station. Have a look at it. See what it is and stuff. What I didn't show you is the wheels. So that side is fine. But on this side, sorry if you hear the wind. It is blacked out, painted black. I'm not sure if you can see that. Black, which is bad. So yeah, just wanted to tell that, guys. And there's also fly nets in there, as you can see. Roof vents and all that. And I'm not sure about the underneath. Ow. Sweet. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Later, guys. I'll see you when we get back to the yard. See the thing? There it is. There's the morning fitness. That's a bit there.
This isn't that bad.
But it isn't that.
I was expecting this to be in here.
But it is inside again. Original fridge as well. Original everything. Original cooker. There's roof vents and everything. Masks. What the hell? I don't know. Get out of there. Roof fan and stuff. It's sick, dude. Alright, I'll update you when you're back to the yard. Actually, this time. Yeah. Just like that, we've made it back to the yard, bruh. Let's go. Oh, what I didn't show you is, you see that bed? Down in there, like right there. It's a queen sized, but it also has struts. So basically, it has lots of storage underneath. Wish I could show you, but it's a bit lodged right now. Yeah, I could show you. There you go. Good shot of it. So yeah, we just made it back to the yard. It's very beautiful. Thanks to power editing. That'll be very fast to do. There's damage. Look at that, dude. It's kind of very good nick Caravan. Very good nick. Somebody cared about this dude. Just a little bit of damage. That little vent over there. Hold on, I'll show you how bad. Wavy, there you go. But other than that, it's pretty good actually. Other than that, a few dents and stuff. But it's quite nice actually. There you go, there's another dent. But hopefully hopefully we can, restore it. We'll probably start restorations on.
Are you talking to yourself?
It's okay. It's about YouTube. Yeah, we'll start work on like Sunday, Monday maybe. So yeah, hopefully that'll be good. That's great. Hopefully. can do that. So that'd be nice.
For the outside seat.
Original fridge. Look how large the windows are, dude. Structure is very good. We checked it on the way down when we saw it at the gas station, like you saw. And there's the original drawer bar. It has a handbrake as well. I just climbed over that. There you go. I'll show you our one that my dad fully restored.
Oh, you got paid for both.
My dad fully restored. There it is there. Beautiful. We have all the correct, tools and everything just to restore this. We've got a paint gun and everything, we've got rattle guns, we've got heaps of stuff just to restore this thing right here. We also restore heaps of stuff, so stay tuned. We'll probably do a next project soon. Other than that, yeah, that's good. That's probably the end of the video. Don't make sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and also stay tuned because we'll be doing some of this work maybe on Monday. Later.